Now the next concept that we need to cover in the AWS global infrastructure is the concept of edge locations. So let's talk about edge locations. First of all, edge locations are used as a part of a global content delivery network, or you'll sometimes hear this called a CDN. Now there are two specific services within AWS that leverage these edge locations. So it's important to note when we're talking about regions and availability zones, those are connected to most every service that exists within AWS. However, when we're talking about edge locations, this really just supports two different services. The first of those is Amazon CloudFront, which is AWS's global content delivery network, and the second is Amazon Route 53, which is Amazon's DNS service. And these are the two services that will use these edge locations that exist around the world. Now, currently, there are over 200 different locations that have edge locations, so this means that this is the most common, the most prevalent part of infrastructure within AWS, and what this does is it allows AWS to serve content from locations that are closest to users. So if we look at this in the map, we can start to see how this plays out. So here's an example of some, although not all, of the AWS edge locations that exist. For example, there are 6 different edge locations that exist within the city of Atlanta, but in this case we're only showcasing one with a dot on the map. But when we look at these edge locations, this allows us, even if we're producing content in Atlanta, Georgia, for example, to be able to have a server where our content can reside in Singapore if we have users that are going to be viewing our content from there. So this is an essential differentiator in terms of the AWS global infrastructure to have such a wide area where we can make sure that our users can fetch our content from. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please take 1 second and press the button below, like, subscribe, and bell icon.